guys, if you want to get this lovely rainbow makeup look, then please keep watching.
So to start off my base, I'm using the Colorbar primer and massaging that all over my face and neck. Since I have discoloration, I'm using a color corrector to get an even skin tone. Over here, I'm using the LA Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade Orange. I'm applying the corrector in areas I feel that I have most discoloration in. And blending all of it in with a damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Sun Beige and blending all of it in with a fluffy kabuki brush. As you can see, I'm stamping the product in with the brush. This ensures that you get an even coverage and a more skin type finish. Also, make sure you don't forget your neck. I'm going in with the damp beauty blender to ensure that there are no streaks left from the brush, as well as to lift off any excess product. For concealer, I'm going in with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and using my favorite makeup artist Robert Welch's makeup trick to conceal my under eyes. As he says, less is more. And blending all of that product in with a damp beauty blender. And setting my concealer with a slight dusting of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light and pressing it in with a damp beauty blender. Trust me, a little bit of powder goes a long way. I'm carving out my face with the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, I believe. It's always a good idea to connect your contour lines from your forehead to your cheekbones to your chin so that you have a natural, even look. Also, connecting your nose contour to your eyebrow is also a great tip to give an even, natural finish to your nose contour. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade and filling them in with hair-like strokes. Since I'm playing with color, I'm setting my eyes with a light concealer shade so that the colors pop out more. And setting my eyes with a setting powder so that the eyeshadow can glide smoothly. To start with our lovely rainbow eyes, I'm using a light pink neonish shade on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it in with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm using a reddish orange shade to give a more gradient transition effect and going in with orange in my inner corners. Make sure to blend all of the edges with your fluffy blending brush. Once again, I'm just stamping on the shades so that the color is intensified. For the lighter rainbow colors to pop, I'm cutting my crease with the same lighter concealer shade I had used before and setting that as well. And going in the inner corners with the shade yellow. As you can see, I'm stamping on the color to get better pigmentation. And stamping on the green shade after the yellow. These shades easily blend together because they complement each other on the color wheel. And now going in with an electrifying blue. And deepening up the outer corners with a lovely shade of purple. And I'm blending the harsh lines with a fluffy blending brush. Once again, just going in with the lighter shades to intensify the pigmentation, as the blending process can take away some of the pigmentation. I'm using a nice fluffy brush to dust away any fallout. Now let's get on with the other eye. For my lower lash line, I'm using the light pink shade and blending that in with a fluffy blending brush. And taking it all the way in to my inner corners. To intensify the lower lash line, I'm going in with the purple shade to give it a more twilight vibe. Doing the same on the other eye as well. To line my eyes, I'm using the Inglot gel eyeliner and lining them with a fine eyeliner brush. I'm going in with baby strokes since eyeliner requires time and patience. Now to tightline my eyes, I'm using the K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade. For my lashes, I'm curling my lashes, and since I have non-existent lashes, I'll be applying falsies to them. And using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise to blend my natural lashes with the fake ones. Since I felt like my eyes lacked intensity, I just added the same kajal on the outer corners of my eye. And blended the kajal with the same purple eyeshadow. To add some color to the cheeks, I'm using the Maybelline blush Cheeky Glow in the shade Fresh Coral. And also adding a little bit blush to the nose so that it looks like the blush is coming from within. To pop the inner corners, I'm just using a champagne shade to highlight them. And highlighting my face with a lovely golden champagne shade. Also using a white highlighter under the brow bone to make the rainbow eyeshadow pop. For lips, I'm lining the outer lines of my lips with a dark brown lip liner and filling the lip area with a dusky rose lipstick. And for the final step, I'm setting my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Let it dry and you're done. And this is the final result and my take on the lovely rainbow colorful eyeshadow makeup look. I hope you all like it.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.